You are tired all the time, and honestly, you have a justification for it. Life is exhausting. The demands of modern life keep stacking up. Work, family bills, and societal expectation. If you are married, that's an entire level of complexity. If you have kids, forget about it. You wake up tired, you go through the day feeling drained, and by the night time, you're running on fumes. Most people assume being tired is just a normal part of adulthood. What if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? And what if I told you that the fatigue you feel is not just about working too much or sleeping too little? There are 3 core reasons why you are always exhausted, and in this video I will break them down for you, but I'll also give you 2 powerful strategies to reclaim your energy and finally feel like yourself once again. And so welcome to this channel. If you're new here, great to have you back. If you're a returning subscriber, we appreciate you. If you're on a journey of personal growth, self-mastery and financial freedom, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Here on this channel, we deliver top-tier life education to help you design your best life. And if you're ready to dive straight into this video, let's get started. The first reason you are always tired is that you might not be actually resting as you think. Most people confuse sleep with rest. You sleep 6, 7 or even 8 hours, but when you wake up, you feel that same hit of energy drop, that same tiredness, because sleep and rest are 2 different things. There are actually 7 types of rest: physical, mental, emotional, sensory, creative, social, spiritual, and passive rest. If one or more of these are constantly depleted, you'll feel exhausted no matter how much you sleep. If you're always getting mentally overloaded, think about the work, your finances, or the next thing on your to-do list. Your brain never actually gets a break. If you're emotionally drained from handling conflict, suppressing your emotion, or from supporting others without replenishing yourself, no amount of sleep can fix that. The problem is, most people only focus on getting hours of sleep, but they don't focus on getting the right type of rest. The second reason you're always tired is that you might be operating in constant stress mode. Your body was never designed to be in survival mode 24/7, but modern life have you stuck in a loop of constant stress. And the thing about stress is that it doesn't just make you anxious, it physically drains your energy. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is actually meant to help you in short bursts, but if you are constantly stressed, your body is pumping out cortisol non-stop, keeping you in a perpetual state of flight or fight. This wrecks your sleep, depletes your immune system, and makes your body store up fat instead of burning energy that you need. The result is that you wake up feeling exhausted no matter how long you sleep. You drink coffee, but it barely helps. By afternoon, you are struggling to focus, and at night you are so drained you only crash. But when you wake up, the cycle continues all over again. Your tiredness is not just a lack of sleep, it's chronic stress keeping your body in overdrive. And the third reason you are always tired is that you might not be fueling your body properly. If you put in the wrong fuel in a car, it won't run properly, but this is exactly what most of us do. We rely on caffeine, sugar, and processed food to get through the day, but these things don't provide real lasting energy. Instead, they cause our energies to crash, inflammations to build, and our metabolic systems to dysfunction. Have you ever noticed how after eating a heavy meal of carbs, particularly in the morning, I used to feel that way before, it feels sluggish instead of energized? That's because your body is using up all this energy to digest food instead of fueling your brains and muscles that you need to do active work. Your body needs proper nutrients. That includes proper hydration, protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. But if you are constantly eating empty calories, artificial stimulants, your energy level will be on a roller coaster all day. And so now you know the three biggest reasons why you are always tired. Let's talk about how to fix them. The first strategy is to reset your energy protocol. If you're always tired, your body is stuck on energy deficit, and here's what you can do. Fix your rest deficiency by identifying which of the 7 types of rest you are missing out on and actively replenish them. If you are mentally exhausted, schedule mental breaks throughout the day. If you're emotionally drained, talk to someone you trust. If your body feels heavy all the time, you may need active recovery exercise like stretching or light movement. The next is to break the cortisol loop. Your body needs to shift from survival mode to recovery mode. And one of the fastest ways to do this is through controlled breathing. I learned the 4-7-8 breathing technique, and this has been truly amazing. This is how to try them. If you are not familiar to this, you can also use exercise to reduce your cortisol loop and manage the stressors in your life. Again, hydrate and replenish your nutrients. Start your mornings with light exercise, then water and electrolyte instead of coffee. Pay attention to food, the real food, proteins, fiber, and healthy fat. This stabilizes your blood sugar and keeps your energy steady. And the second strategy is what I call the ultra-focused morning routine. Most people wake up feeling sluggish, immediately reaching for their phones. That's the worst thing you can do to your productivity. If you want to reprogram your energy levels, you need to own your mornings. Move your body, even if for just 5 minutes. A quick stretch or walk boosts oxygen and wakes up your nervous system. Avoid caffeine for the first 90 minutes. This helps prevent midday crash and allows your body to wake up naturally. Plan your top 3 tasks for the day. Instead of jumping into tasks reactively, decide what actually matters for the day and focus on them first. This reduces your decision fatigue and mental overload. When you start your day right, your energy stays high and stable throughout the day. And so it's time to stop accepting your tiredness as your default state. Reclaim your energy and start living fully. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more strategies on your personal transformation journey. Follow this channel for more insight on how to upgrade your mind, body, and your life. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.